He loves hot men. Did he say he loves hot men? What the fuck?
Come over here, I'll fuck your ass.
You can't fucking see this shit on TV.
It's going on YouTube, bro.
Get the fuck out of Utah, bitch! Get the fuck out of Utah if you don't like it here! Get the fuck out of Utah!
We know you do! We know you do! You love them! Love them all you want! Just poor men! Just poor men!
You love it when hot men stinks?
Sneeze on my dick! Sneeze on my dick!
What the fuck? This is awesome, dude.
We're downtown Salt Lake. Come on, get down out here, bro.
Block, nigga.
The block, nigga.
Fucking with it, nigga.